In today's video, we're gonna show you how to file finish a hard gel overlay.
Okay.
All right.
I'm like, you're picking this up way too fast.
Nice.
I'm a little upset because I did not pick it up that fast.
Good teacher.
So, I'm ready. Personally, I would go right into the electric file. That's how I do it.
So let's do it.
So, because I don't like to pick up the hand file, do the electric file, and pick up the hand file. I think that's a waste of time. So we're gonna electric file first. Let's start with the core safety bit, and we're gonna shape. Exact same thing as when we did acrylic. The only difference with gel is less pressure.
Okay.
Gel files like butter.
Got it.
Okay, so let's go for it. Okay, let's get our upper arch and make these pretty.
Okay, and I want this at what speed?
I will with gel, probably let's try 12,000.
12,000.
And see where you are with that. If we feel like we're bogging down or if it's making horrible noises, we will go up a little higher.
All right, so first thing is I want to come around the cuticle.
That's where I start. There you go.
Well, it really does file like butter.
Right, you're barely putting any pressure.
You might want to come through all the way, or?
I like to work my upper arch now. So yeah,
this way?
Yep, look at it from the side view and work down the middle. Blending it all in.
Okay.
Now work your sides, blend your sides in. Yep,
Down
that's
here?
looking down the barrel. Yep. See how you're going to be able to see where it's thicker.
Oh yeah.
You're barely touching. It's so funny.
Barely touching. But it comes off so easy.
Yep. Okay. And this is just for bolt. Remember, it's going to take you 2 whacks with the finish file too. So just make sure you got your bolt down. Any refining we'll do with the hand file.
Okay, so 150. This file has been seasoned.
Yes.
Just
Thank
for people to know. So what sides?
Sides, which
It's not a
it's
whole.
an overlay, so there's not much to it, right?
Yeah, exactly. I can see where I missed some spots already.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know.
I want you to put some pressure.
Oh, okay, okay. Like that.
Mm-hmm. And tuck it in. And there.
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Anything on this side?
Mm-hmm. Because it's seasoned, you don't have to stress.
Okay.
Blend the back.
Cuticle area.
Yeah. One thing about Habib, he hates the filing part.
I do.
So
This is hard for me.
sometimes the dust is very deceiving, especially with gel.
Oh.
Exactly. Dust it can play mind tricks on you.
I think I missed a few spots in the application.
Okay, so what I want you to do, right, see that just little notch? Just file that off.
Right here?
Yep. And that's gonna fix your missing spot and that little hang that's going on. I don't want you to overthink too much.
All right.
Right? Maybe a little spot there.
Yeah,
But I think that's a little dent between the 2 gels.
Okay.
It's not really that you're missing product there. And when we top coat it, it's gonna go right over the top and smooth it all out.
Okay.
So we don't have to overthink that.
Okay. Top coat?
Top coat.
All right.
I'm gonna protein bond it first, just like we do acrylic.
Okay.
So you can see they're really, this is where, you know, people are like, oh, gel's better for the nail than acrylic. The process is all the same.
Yeah.
Just a little different touch. And we're gonna stick this in the light. 60 seconds.
60 seconds. I hate filing.
I know you do.
It's.
I think once you get the feel of it,
Yeah.
I think if you learn to use that whole file, put the right amount of pressure and just, it's kind of fun.
You know what the fear is? The fear is like, I'm going to take off too much.
Right.
I'm not used to it yet where it's still hard for me to see what I'm, like the details.
Yeah.
It's hard to see.
visualize
So
it, yeah.
it's kind of like, I feel like I'm kind of going blind, but then at the end I'm like, oh my God, look, it turned out okay.
You're just learning, and it's a short nail. There's product there, maybe just a little thinner, but the top coat also will give you some strength.
Yeah.
It's not a very long nail.
Right.
But I think what you need to learn about with the hand file is if you're afraid of taking off too much, it's not about the chicken peck. It's just a lighter touch. Use the full board so you're getting more of the nail. Just lighter touch.
Right. Right. The chicken peck is not going to prevent. I can chicken peck, but if I'm chicken pecking hard, I'm going to take a chunk out.
You're still going to take too much.
Right. You got to just go lighter touch, but still cruising. Oh my God. I can't believe I did that.
So gel or acrylic?
Gel! I